Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today you'll be learning how to say more common expressions to describe how you feel in Filipino. It would be much fun to be in the Philippines to know them and to use them when you meet some locals. Let's start with Gutom. This is hungry or hunger in English. Gutom. 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 Gutom ka na ba? Oo, gutom na ako. Gutom ako. Uhaw. This means thirsty or thirst. Uhaw. 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 Pahingi ng tubig. Uhaw na ako. Nauuhaw ka ba? Hindi ako nauuhaw. The next one is busog, which translates to full. Busog. 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 Busog pa ako. Kain ka pa? Busog na ako. Busog na busog ako. Pagod is tired or tiredness in English. Pagod. 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 Pagod na ako. Tulog muna ako. Pagod ka na ba? Medyo pagod na ako. The last one is Antok. This translates to sleepy or drowsiness. Antok. 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 Gising ka na? Antok pa ako. Antok ka pa? Antok na antok pa ako. These are just some of the most common expressions you can use to describe how you feel in Filipino. Now it's time to practice. This is hungry, hunger. Gutom. This is thirsty, thirst. Uhaw. This translates to full. Busog. This is tired, tiredness. Pagod. This is sleepy, sleepiness. Antok. I hope you find these words useful the next time you want to express how you're feeling in Filipino. Try using these words and you'll surely surprise some locals. Thank you for watching.